好，我们来看一下 side effects 这道题。我们先读一遍。Where there are effects, there are often side effects. The car is a boon to mobility, but can lead to obesity, injuries, deaths, and pollution. Burning fossil fuel may keep economies going, but wrecks the climate in the long run. In a similar way, there are side effects to information technology in education things, from childcare to the classroom to the lecture hall and beyond. All right, 我们分成三个部分来看一下。第一部分 where there are effects。这个呢不能读得太开，你不能读成 where there are effects 是错的。Where there are effects, there are often side effects. There are often side effects. 有的同学会读成 where there are effects, there are often side effects， 这是不对的。OK， 我们要把它读得非常连贯。好，第二句 ，The car is a boon to mobility， 千万不要读成 mobility，OK，mobility 是错的，一定要注意这一块。mobility， but can lead to， 你们看这个 d， 我是把它弱化了 ，but can 这个 t 也是 ，OK，but can lead to obesity, injuries, deaths, and pollution。这里是个并列关系，对吧？所以我们可以全部用升调，最后呢，我们用降调或者平调来试一下。But can lead to obesity, injuries, deaths, and pollution. 好，我们把这一部分读一下。Where there are effects, there are often side effects. The car is a boon to mobility, but can lead to obesity, injuries, deaths, and pollution. 好，第二部分。Burning fossil fuel may keep economies going. 不要读成了 economics，OK， 这是 economy。economy is going。Burning fossil fuel，OK， 这一块呢一定要注意连起来。Burning fossil fuel may keep 这个 p 呢非常的弱，不是 keep，OK，keep may keep economies， 只要把那个嘴巴合住，做出口型，这个音是听得很清楚的。May keep economies going，but 不是 but rex，OK。But 非常的弱，或者说甚至可以把它几乎把它吞掉了。But wrecks the climate， 我没有读成 climate，OK？But wrecks 这个 the 要非常快。But wrecks the climate in the long run， 你们听一下。But wrecks the climate in the long run， 这个 t 非常非常的迅速，而且非常非常的弱，对吧？我们来读一下这一部分。Burning fossil fuel may keep economies going, but wrecks the climate in the long run。第三部分 In a similar way, there are side effects。 这个 d 呢一定要注意 OK， 不是 side effect， 是 there are side effect。 这个 d 刚出一点点音，我们就直接接后面这个 effect 这个单词。There are side effects to information technology in education things。 这里呢其实这一句呢很多人说要不要断句，其实没有必要断，我们可以试一下。There are side effects to information technology in education things。 如果你非要断的话呢，我们可以说 There are side effects to information technology in education things 也可以，但是我觉得没有必要，对吧？我们尽量去少断，不要在一个句子当中呢有过多的停顿。如果你不能把控好的话呢，其实过多的停顿也会给你带来不必要的扣分。好，下面这一句 From childcare， 我没有读成 childcare， 我没有读 childcare， 对不对？ D 非常弱。From childcare to the classroom， 这个 the 和后面这个 the 呢要非常快。To the classroom, to the lecture hall and beyond， 我没有读成 and beyond， 是 and beyond。 D 非常非常的弱 ，OK？And beyond 这个 D 你要读出来，在一句话结束或者说逗号句号前面这个单词 ，OK？ 只要你停顿了，停顿的这个 tiny pause 前面这个单词的后面这个尾音呢，一定要注意，是 D、T 这种音的话呢 ，P 一定要把它发得非常的清楚。好，我们把这一块读一下。In a similar way, there are side effects to information technology in education things, from childcare to the classroom to the lecture hall and beyond。 我在这里有个明显的停顿，对不对？ From childcare to the classroom, a tiny pause, to the lecture hall and beyond. Lecture hall and beyond， 这个 and 前面呢就不要停了。好，我们整个连起来读一下。Where there are effects, there are often side effects. The car is a boon to mobility, but can lead to obesity, injuries, deaths, and pollution. Burning fossil fuel may keep economies going, but wrecks the climate in the long run. In a similar way, there are side effects to information technology in education things, from childcare to the classroom to the lecture hall and beyond. All right, thank you guys.